In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to transfer money from Robinhood to Fidelity. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Transferring money from Robinhood to Fidelity is very simple. You will have to add Fidelity as an external financial institution within your Robinhood account, and you will be able to initiate the transfer of your funds directly from Robinhood to Fidelity. To do this, open the latest version of the Robinhood mobile app. Within the latest version of the app, sign into your account and using the navigation bar at the bottom of your screen, tap the user icon. You will be able to find the menu with plenty of options related to your account. And then go over to the transfers section, where you can find plenty of options like transferring money, managing recurring deposits, wire transfers, and transfer accounts. Now, in here, you can either go to transfer money directly or scroll down and you will find the linked accounts option. As the name suggests, in here you will be able to see all of the accounts that have been properly linked to Robinhood, and you can add new ones. To add new accounts, tap on the plus add account button and you will be able to choose between linking a debit card account or a bank account. For Fidelity, I recommend choosing debit card. This will also give you the option to do instant transfers. So choose debit card and input all of the details about your Fidelity account. So the card number, expiration date, and security code. Once all of those details have been included, which sadly I won't be able to show info on screen because it contains a lot of personal information, you will be able to proceed and go back to the transfer money option. And when you choose transfer money, you will be able to include the amount that you want to transfer, the origin of this transfer, and then the destination account, which should be the Fidelity external account that you linked. Afterwards, choose the account that you would like to transfer the money to, confirm, and you will be able to transfer the money to your bank. You will be able to choose between doing it instantly or waiting a few business days, and you will receive any amount that you sent over from Robinhood to Fidelity. I hope I was able to help you on how to transfer money from Robinhood to Fidelity. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.